Hello everyone, I'm Dr. S. Parvati, working as Assistant Professor, Department of English at SNS College of Technology. Today, my case study is about poor listening skills. What is listening? Listening is the most important communication skills. Everyone knows that there are two types of communication skills like LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Listening is the ability to understand and respond effectively to oral communication. Listening is an active process. Listening requires attention. It demands that we set aside our own thoughts and agendas. What we have to do? We have to put ourselves in another's shoes and try to see the world through that person's eye. Look at that picture. What that boy is doing is keenly observing, is keenly noticing, listening. Yes, of course, the listening is a process, it's an active process. You have to put ourselves in another shoes and try to see the world through that person's eyes. And here, it is a poor listening skills. Look at that man. What is he doing? Is just daydreaming. Yes, it is the biggest problem in our society. It is a result of bad communication, and sometimes some persons they tell about themselves, everything they do and what's going on in their life, and this gives the impression and this world become a narcissistic world. And moreover, this generation they started posting everything in social media, yes, rather than listening and what's spoken. And here it is very important, some of them get confused with what is hearing and what is listening, the difference between listening and hearing. Hearing is simply the act of perceiving sound by the ear. If you are not hearing impaired, hearing simply happens. For an example, if you cross some of your friends during the lunch break or your tea break, you can hear something. Yes, because hearing simply happens. You don't need to listen properly because listening is different. Listening is something you consciously chose to do. Listening requires concentration so that your brain processes meaning from words and sentences. But hearing is not like that because wherever you cross the people, you can hear something what they speak about, right? And some of the consequences of poor listening. Poor listening leads to assumption and misunderstanding. Yes, we ourselves think something, oh, okay, that person would have tell like this. See, if you started thinking something, you would have tell something, it happened, you assume yourself, right? Something, and definitely it may lead to misunderstanding, and moreover it leads to errors, ineffective decisions and cost mistakes. On a personal level, poor listening leads to hurt feelings and a loss of team cohesion. If you're working in a team, if you're not a good listener, sometimes there will be a misunderstanding, and because of that it leads to hurt, and this deteriorates trust and weakens communication even further. And our next slide is causes of poor listening. What are the causes? Because of poor listening, it becomes lack of awareness, and listening is hard work, lack of interest, lack of vocabulary, bad listening habits. And how to overcome from this poor listening skills? The four main types of distractions are physical, mental, auditory, and visual. Right? Here is how to avoid this common barrier. Just note down properly. First, what you have to do is face the person who's speaking. Yes, maintain eye contact while the other person is speaking. Ensure that you are comfortable. And one thing, what you have to do? You have to switch off the cell phone and make it a habit to listen attentively. It is advisable to assume that the other person knows something that you may not know. Avoid thinking about how to reply when the other person is speaking. This habit can be overcome by taking notes while the other person is speaking. Try to avoid conversation in noisy surroundings. Eliminate the source of noise whenever possible. Turn off your cell phones, radios, and television sets. Because these days you would have come across many webinars, right? If you are not properly listened, there will be at the end of the session there will be a question and answers session is there. If that organizers permit you to ask questions on the webinar, you cannot raise a single question if you are not attentive. So you have to listen attentively. And if you overcome the poor listening skills, what will happen? If you start become a very good listener, when you listen well to others, you start to pick up more on the stylistic components related to how people form arguments and present information. As a result, you have the ability to analyze what you think works and doesn't work in other speeches, which can help you transform your speeches in the process. And when you start become a very good listener, people will perceive you as intelligent and perceptive. Yes, when you listen well to others, you reveal yourself as being curious and interested in people and events. In addition, your ability to understand the meanings of what you hear will make you a more knowledgeable and thoughtful person. Thank you, guys. Thanks for listening.